Here's something unique. Any idea what this is?
Welcome to another edition of the Story Behind the Car, and I just saw Ron pulling in his 57 Nomad, and we were just talking. I had to shoot your car, and you said you were just at a show in Hannibal?
Yeah, Hannibal, Missouri, just came back.
And you said it was a large show, too.
Yeah, 350 cars.
And you got a trophy as well?
Yeah, took first place trophy for my class.
Oh, fantastic.
Yeah.
Very nice.
Yeah, it's their 29th annual show.
Okay. And can you tell us about your car?
Yeah, it's a 1957 Chevy Nomad.
Okay.
I built it from ground up.
Okay.
Did everything on it but the paint job.
Wow. How long have you had it?
A little over 8 years.
Okay.
And my mother and I did the whole interior.
Really?
Yeah. Uh-huh.
Can I open the door?
Sure, here. Going that way.
Yeah.
A little messy from coming back from the show.
Yeah. But very nice. And now, were you guys skilled in interiors, or are you the first time?
No, just second time.
Second time?
One. Yeah. Actually, that man right there, Terry,
Okay.
he's my Nomad guru.
Oh, okay.
He taught me everything I know.
Yeah. Beautiful interior. Wow, that
Thanks.
headliner is fantastic.
Yeah, all one piece.
Really?
Yeah.
And then the bows hold it up?
Those are bugs. Hannibal bugs.
Yeah, plenty
And then
of
I
them.
just put, back in the 50s, they used linoleum in the cargo area.
Really?
Yes, I just put that in this winter. That's all stock linoleum.
I think the way these with the cables
Yeah.
is so cool. I've seen those before.
Uh-huh.
So this is linoleum.
Linoleum, that's what they used back in 57.
Wow.
And that's the spare tire well. I built that for storage, though.
Cool. And fuel pump?
No, it's actually a vacuum pump for my brakes.
Oh,
I
okay.
put four-wheel disc brake, and my motor wasn't getting enough vacuum for them.
Yeah.
So I put the pump on there. Now they work great.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just an absolute beautiful
Thank you.
vehicle.
Thanks.
Now, are you on Facebook by chance?
I occasionally just to look at car show
Yeah.
information.
There's a guy out of Ohio, Boris Mariowski, I believe. Mariowski.
Uh-huh.
Anyway, he has a company, and I can't think of the name of it. Anyway, he just bought a building in Chicago, and it had like 35 or 40 vehicles. The guy was a hoarder, and they were just piled with stuff. But he had a couple of
I think I
Nomads.
heard about that.
Yeah,
I did.
yeah.
That's cool. Then this is where you put the gas in. It's pretty neat
Yeah, that's so cool.
for a 57. They
And
hide
then
it.
your exhaust tips are down here?
No, they're down.
No?
Yeah, down here.
Yeah. Oh, underneath?
Yeah, these are for backup lights here.
Okay.
The exhaust comes out right there.
Okay. I thought maybe this was
No,
the
that's
exhaust.
just design they put on.
Yeah. But yeah, the fuel door,
Yeah.
so unique back then.
Yeah, definitely.
Now, was it originally this color?
This is the original color. Interior is all original.
Yeah.
So the only thing is the drivetrain and the wheels are modified. And the Nomad, these ribs are unique for the Nomad.
Yes. Such a man. I remember as a kid, I
Yeah.
just loved the Nomad.
Mm-hmm. They made 6,100 of the 57s.
Okay.
So there's not too many left.
Yeah. And I forgot to look at the steering wheel. Is that the original
Oh,
steering
yeah.
wheel?
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
They made them that big because no power steering.
Yeah.
A lot of them.
Yeah. And can you raise the hood?
Sure.
And what drew you to the Nomad?
My first car was a two-door wagon, 57, and I
Yeah.
always loved Nomads.
Yeah.
So if I had one, I was building them, and then this came out. and
Okay.
The body was real good. It needed
Yeah.
restoration, but the body was no rust.
Wow.
So I just love Nomads.
And where did you get the car?
It came from California, but a friend of mine is a classic car dealer.
Okay.
And he had it shipped here.
Yeah.
Hey, Thomas. Another
you doing?
57, buddy.
Oh, okay.
Hi, Dries. So I got a 327 small block Chevy.
Man, this is a nice bay.
Came out of a 69 Chevy C10.
Okay.
That and the tranny, matching tranny.
Yeah.
Automatic. Power steering, power brakes, air conditioning, power windows.
I saw the power windows.
Yeah.
I meant to comment about that.
I'm
'cause
getting
that had to
older,
be-
so I want all the luxuries now.
Yeah. Now, was it originally power window? Or
No,
did
but
you-
it was originally power brakes and power steering.
That's really unique for back then.
Yeah. They had about 5 options.
Yeah. So clean.
Thanks. And that's all 200 miles of bugs.
I was going to say, that's fresh bugs from today.
Uh-huh.
And when you were in Hannibal, they didn't make you paint a fence or anything, did they?
No,
Yeah.
really.
Mark Twain.
There's all, there's
Oh
all the
yeah, you
bug
killed
guts
some
there.
bugs. Yeah.
And then here's something unique. Any idea what this is?
I do know what that is.
Oh, do you?
So
Okay.
when you pull up to the stoplight,
Yeah.
you can see whether
Traffic
it's red
light
or
viewer.
green. Yeah.
A lot of people had no idea what that
Yeah.
was.
No, I look young, but I'm not that
Oh,
young.
okay.
I'm
All right.
being sarcastic. But yeah. Now, when you were driving up to Hannibal and back, were you getting a lot of thumbs up?
Oh yeah, all
Yeah.
the time. People
Yeah.
taking pictures, videos.
Yeah.
Even drivers. I say, drive, drive.
Now the battery, it's not a. This is not the original type. It's a cover.
No, that's the original type.
Oh, is it really?
Yeah, it's not a cover.
Most of the time I see these, I ask.
Yeah, they
and
have covers.
Yeah, yeah,
That's because I don't want to pay $500 for a battery.
yeah. And I don't know that they. I've heard they don't last all that long.
I'm hoping this one does. 'Cause this is like a gel. It's like a Optima kind of
yeah.
the same technology.
Okay.
So hopefully it's going to last longer. I hope.
Yeah. And I got to shoot your VIN plate.
Sure.
That engine is so clean.
Thank you.
Oh, and you got ram horn
Yeah.
manifolds.
I just had those ceramic coated.
Okay.
And what happened last summer at the Wentzville Cruise? Did you ever go there?
Yeah, I go there all the time.
Okay,
Yeah.
last summer, my upper radiator hose popped off. 4.5 gallons of scalding hot antifreeze all
Oh,
over
crap.
everything. So I had to redo all that almost this winter.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So where did you have it ceramic coated? In O'Fallon?
O'Fallon.
Yeah.
Yep.
I told you I'm building a 61 truck, and I had my manifolds ceramic coated
yeah,
there. I can't
yeah.
think of the name of the
Yeah,
place. Super
Sean
ni-
is the guy who does it.
Yeah.
If that's the same guy.
Yeah, super nice guy.
Yeah. I used to do all my other stuff years ago at Gateway, but they closed up years
Yeah.
ago. Yeah.
Yeah. Just the lines, so cool.
Thanks.
What is your favorite feature of the car, or the favorite anything of the car?
Just the looks of it. It's just so unique.
Yeah.
The uniqueness of it.
yeah.
Yeah.
Do you ever open the windows? Or,
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Oh, you don't. I just was curious.
Yeah. hmm You know why they have them slide open and other ones don't?
I don't know.
Because being a two-door, there
Okay.
was no window to roll down for the back person.
Yeah.
So that's further to get air back there.
Okay.
Yeah. Normally they'd have the door and they could roll down the window.
Yeah. Yeah.
And I just had all this polished over the winter, all my stainless in there.
Yeah. It is total eye candy.
Thanks.
Tell me about the license plates. How do you get away with that?
The police, when they drive by, they look at it, they just give me a thumbs up.
Really?
Wave. Yep. 8 years I've had those plates on there.
Holy cow.
Yep. They figure if you got a car that's nice, it's probably legal.
Yeah.
I got the legal plates in the car.
Okay.
Yeah. But I just like that so much. I get a lot of comments on the plates. So.
I'm surprised someone doesn't pull you over just because there's some guys out there that are
Yeah.
just that way.
Yeah, no, not one time. 8 years, not one time.
Yeah.
Now watch I go home, I'll get pulled over.
Yeah, I hope
said
not.
that.
I hope not. I hope I didn't jinx you.
Yeah.
Boy, it is just so straight and the colors really pop.
Thanks.
Yeah. Wow. Well, thank you
Hey,
so
Mark.
very much.
Okay, yeah, no problem.
Yeah, I appreciate the time
Okay.
and telling us the story behind the car.
All right, thanks.
Thank you.
All right, nice meeting you.